Okay, let's click the New button and then go to the File menu and Save As, and let's name this My Query and save in our regular folder. And now go to the Data menu and let's select Get External Data and New Database Query. And we need to install this new feature. We have to put the CD-ROM in. And now it looks as if nothing's happened. Let's see what happens if we go back and try and do that again. It says it's already doing it. If we look down on the taskbar, we can see it. There it is. Okay, now on the Database tab, ensure that New Data Source is selected, and OK. And we want to select Products and select the driver for Microsoft Access, and click the Connect button and the Select button, and we need to make sure that I'm in the right folder, and double click on Northwind and OK and OK. Yes. And OK. Now click on Products and click the right pointing arrow to move it across. And next. And next. And next. And finish. And OK. Let's click the Edit Query button and see what we can do with that. That's a window we recognize. Okay, we can cancel out of that one. No, we don't want to continue editing. Let's click the Data Range Properties button. Have a look at the properties. And we can OK or cancel out of that. And we can close out of Excel. We don't need to just